Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this purple earphone for your Roblox avatar for free. Okay, if you want to get this item, you can join the Island of Move game in Roblox. You're going to search for this game, Island of Move, and join this game. And after you have joined this game, you're going to interact with the robot. But wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, you can go to this area and you're going to interact with the robot here. Click on this E icon and you're going to enter this code. Victory Lab. Okay, click on the check mark. And I have already redeemed the code, and to get the code to get the item, you're going to leave the game and then you're going to go to your inventory. I'm going to open up the avatar menu here, go to the customize, and then you're going to go to the accessories and go to the head accessories. Okay, this one guys, and you can equip this item for your avatar. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get this purple earphone for your Roblox avatar for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.